Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. I love it. It's bright and happy and bold and everything I like. It's really easy to make as well. So there's a lot of stamping, which I love. So let's set this aside and get started. The stamp set we're going to be using is this one called Dahlia Days. And we're going to use a lot of these images. These flowers and sentiments and stuff. So really nice set. This is a set that's in the mini catalogue, and unfortunately it's not carrying over to the main catalogue, so if you want this, get it now or forever hold your peace. I've got here a piece of basic white, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. Let me get my simple chamois because I'm going to need it to clean all my stamps. And let's start off with this colour, which is called Sweet Sorbet, and we're going to do the majority of our stamping in this. So let's ink up our stamp. I'm just going to stamp randomly. I'm not thinking about it really, just putting the stamp down wherever I want. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. So let's clean this up before we put it into something. Okay, and let's go in with this little one now to fill in some areas. And just again, not really thinking about it, just as soon as you're not sure where to put the next one, that's when to stop, says me. Okay, that is really enough. Okay, give that a clean as well. Now this next little one I'm going to use is these three here. Now it comes as a group of three, and I've just cut it across here, and these two are perfectly fine, and the one that's left is perfectly fine as well. You'll see it doesn't harm your stamps to cut them, so don't be scared, be brave and go for it. Okay, so we're going to use this colour, which is Tahitian Tide, and these are both new in colours this year, so these came in with the new 2022 catalogue, and these will last for 2 years, and I love them. Can't wait to use them more. So bright and happy. I really like these colours. Okay, so there is our background. Okay, so clean that up, give it a good cleaning. Set that aside for a second. I'm going to bring in here another scrap piece of cardstock, and I'm going to ink up my focal image with Tahitian Tide, and we're just going to put this down somewhere, hold it and up like that. Another clean. This is when the simple chamois is so easy just to clean up, makes everything so simple. And then close this up because we've finished with it. I'm going to go back to our Sweet Sorbet, and this is our sentiment here. And I think I'm going to put it on a bigger block now that I have one available. So using my grid paper just to try and get things a little lined up, not the end of the world. Ink it up. And then we're just going to put this in the centre here. There you go. Just like that. Give that another clean. Everything's nice and cleany now. So we can close up our simple chamois, and I just keep it in the spare stamp case. So put that away, close this up, and we're going to cut this out with the matching dies. which are the Dahlia, detailed Dahlia dies, and it's this one here. So I'm going to cut that out and I'll be back. Okay, so we cut out a little piece there, and I've just put dimensionals on the back. So now we're ready to start assembling. Now our card base is also Tahitian tied. It's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then we're just going to put our stamped image or stamped background on here. So let's do that now. Just like that. And then we're going to put this down, so let's get all these brimming backings off. They don't want to come off today. Ugh. They definitely don't want to come off today. They're happy where they are. They don't want to move. Eek. Everything's sticking to me. Nothing unusual in that. Okay, let's bung this in the middle. Somewhere like that. Does it look okay? Yeah. Get rid of these backings. I'll try and contain them in the bin. You'll still find a way out, however hard you try. And then I've got some of these, what you can call them, rhinestones, and we're just going to use these as some flower centres here and there. Okay, so there are our two cards, all done and dusted. I hope you like them. I love how bright and vibrant they are. If you did enjoy this project, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. It really does help. And if you consider to subscribe, that would be even better. If you want more information about this project, the supplies list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes the links to my Facebook group. I've got two. One is where I sell all my retired stock, and I'm having a huge sale at the moment, so do check it out. And the other one is where we have lots of crafty chat, and I host an online car club and all sorts of fun stuff like that. So do have a look at them both, and I hope to see you there soon. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.